Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the BestParts 180W CPU air cooler, a heat sink designed as a compatible upgrade for Dell XPS 8950 and 8960 desktops. If you're rocking one of these Dells and pushing your CPU to its limits, especially with demanding tasks like gaming or video editing, then you know how crucial effective cooling is. This cooler is specifically designed to handle CPUs with up to a 180W TDP, which is a significant step up from some of the stock coolers that might come with these systems. The product is branded as BestParts, and the cooler heatsink material is copper. Copper is known for its excellent thermal conductivity, meaning it efficiently draws heat away from the CPU. This is essential for maintaining stable performance and preventing thermal throttling, where your CPU slows down to avoid overheating. The cooler is compatible with the LGA 1200 socket and also lists compatibility with Intel LGA 1151. The listed compatible model is the Dell XPS 8960. The replacement part number is T4G2X. The package includes the heat sink and fan assembly. Installation should be relatively straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with working inside a desktop PC. The weight of the item is 34.5 ounces. If you've been experiencing high CPU temperatures or are simply looking to get the most out of your Dell XPS 8950 or 8960, the BestParts 180W CPU air cooler appears to be a solid option to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.